Ready to see how caramel highlights on brown hair can subtly brighten mature features and refresh your look? 1. Soft Caramel Face Framing Lob. A shoulder-length lob with soft caramel face framing highlights that brighten the complexion. Ideal for oval faces and women seeking low-maintenance polish. 2. Subtle Caramel Balayage Long Layers. Long, blended layers with hand-painted caramel highlights that add movement and warmth, perfect for mature women wanting volume without heavy upkeep. 3. Short Pixie with Caramel Tips. A textured pixie with caramel-tinted tips and darker roots to soften features. Great for bold mature women and petite face shapes. 4. Warm Caramel Curtain Bangs. Curtain bangs edged with caramel ribbons over brown base create youthful framing. Suits round and heart-shaped faces seeking softer lines. 5. Sleek Low Bun with Highlighted Strands. Polished low bun with intentional caramel face framing strands for soft halo effect. Ideal for formal looks and elegant mature styles. 6. Tousled Waves with Caramel Babylights. Loose, tousled waves peppered with delicate babylights add natural sun-kissed texture. Flattering for fine hair and those wanting subtle brightness. 7. Textured Shag with Caramel Lowlights. Feathered shag layers with warm caramel lowlights create volume and modern edge. Great for lively, confident mature women. 8. Classic Shoulder-Length Bob with Caramel Streaks. A timeless bob enhanced with thin caramel streaks to add dimension and soften grays. Ideal for professional and classic tastes. 9. Braided Crown with Caramel Highlights. A soft crown braid threaded with caramel highlights for an elegant, romantic finish. Perfect for special events and updo lovers. N. Half-up Twist with Caramel Accents. A quick half-up twist showing caramel accents at the crown and ends to lift the face. Great for busy days and casual occasions. 11. Feathered Mid-Length Cut with Face Lights. Mid-length feathered ends with strategically placed face lights and caramel to brighten eyes and cheekbones. Ideal for layered looks. 12. Slicked Back Bob with Subtle Caramel Glaze. A sleek, modern bob with a caramel glaze across the mid-lengths for shine and warmth. Suits angular faces seeking polish. 13. Low Pony with Gradient Caramel Ombre. A low pony showcasing a soft caramel ombre from mid-lengths to ends for movement and depth. Easy to style for mature hair. 14. Voluminous Curls with Caramel Balayage. Bouncy, volumized curls highlighted with caramel balayage to enhance shape and lift. Ideal for adding youth and fullness. 15. Asymmetrical Cut with Caramel Edge. An angular asymmetrical cut softened by caramel edge highlights to balance sharp lines. Great for fashion-forward mature women. 16. Layered Lob with Honey Caramel Highlights. A layered lob with honey caramel streaks throughout for a warm, face-brightening effect. Low fuss and naturally flattering. 17. Polished French Twist with Face Framing Lights. Chic French twist accented by thin caramel lights around the face to soften and illuminate. Classic for evening wear. 18. Side-swept bangs and caramel peekaboo. Side-swept bangs that reveal caramel peekaboo highlights underneath for subtle surprise. Works well for those hesitant about full highlights. 19. Soft Curtain Shag with Caramel Depth. A soft curtain shag with deeper caramel layers for natural shadow and texture. Excellent for fine hair needing lift. 20. Elegant Chignon with Caramel Veining. Low chignon featuring thin caramel veining through the roll to catch light and soften a formal updo. Ideal for weddings and dates.